The Amazon jungle is one of the most biodiverse and fascinating ecosystems on Earth, but it is also home to some dangerous species. Here are some of the most notable ones. Jaguar. Jaguars are powerful predators and the largest big cats in the Americas. They have strong jaws and are known for their ability to deliver a lethal bite to their prey, which includes animals as large as caimans and capybaras. Anaconda. The green anaconda is one of the largest snakes in the world. While it is non-venomous, it is a constrictor, meaning it squeezes its prey to death. Anacondas can potentially pose a threat to humans if they feel threatened. Piranha. These carnivorous fish are infamous for their sharp teeth and powerful jaws. While they are more likely to scavenge on dead animals, in certain circumstances, piranhas may attack live animals or humans. Bullet ant. Often considered the insect with the most painful sting in the world. The bullet ant is named for the intense pain it inflicts, which has been compared to being shot with a bullet. Poison dart frogs. Some species of poison dart frogs secrete potent neurotoxins through their skin. Indigenous tribes have been known to use these toxins to poison the tips of their blow darts for hunting. South American rattlesnake. Found in various parts of South America, including the Amazon, this venomous snake can deliver a potentially lethal bite. Ver de lance. Also known as the terciopelo, this venomous pit viper is responsible for numerous snakebite incidents in the Amazon rainforest. Electric eel. While not deadly to humans, the electric eel can produce strong electric shocks that it uses to stun prey and defend itself. These shocks can be painful and even cause heart issues in individuals with weak hearts. It's essential to remember that, while some of these species can be dangerous, they generally do not pose a significant threat to humans unless provoked or cornered. Many of them play vital roles in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem and are an integral part of the Amazon's rich biodiversity. Exploring the jungle with local guides and respecting the wildlife is crucial for a safe and rewarding experience in this magnificent region.